Section 1. Overview of the digestive system. The digestive system is a complex network of organs and processes that work together to break down the food you eat and extract nutrients to fuel your body. It plays a vital role in maintaining your overall health and well-being. The main organs involved in the digestive system include the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Each organ has a specific function that contributes to the overall process of digestion. Section 2. The journey of food. The digestive process begins in the mouth. As you chew your food, your teeth break it down into smaller pieces, while saliva helps moisten and soften it. This initial breakdown makes it easier to swallow and begins the process of chemical digestion. Once you swallow, the food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Through muscular contractions called peristalsis, the food moves down the esophagus and enters the stomach. In the stomach, the food is mixed with gastric juices, including stomach acid and enzymes. These gastric juices help break down the food further and turn it into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach's muscular walls churn and mix the food, aiding in the digestion process. Section 3. Nutrient absorption in the small intestine. From the stomach, the chyme enters the small intestine, a long and coiled tube. The small intestine is where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients take place. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like projections, called villi, which increase the surface area available for absorption. Each villus contains even smaller structures called microvilli, further enhancing nutrient absorption. As the chyme moves through the small intestine, specialized enzymes and digestive juices break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats into smaller molecules. These molecules are then absorbed through the intestinal lining and enter the bloodstream. The absorbed nutrients are transported throughout the body, providing energy and nourishment for various functions and activities. Section 4. Waste elimination in the large intestine. After passing through the small intestine, any undigested food, water, and waste products enter the large intestine, also known as the colon. In the large intestine, water is absorbed from their waste material, making it more solid. The colon also houses beneficial bacteria that help break down any remaining undigested food and produce certain vitamins. As the waste material moves through the colon, it gradually forms into stool. The stool is stored in the rectum until it is ready to be eliminated from the body through the anus during a bowel movement. Section 5. Factors affecting digestion and tips for a healthy digestive system. Several factors can influence the efficiency of the digestive system. A poor diet, lack of fiber, excessive stress, and certain medications can all impact digestion. To maintain a healthy digestive system, it's important to consider the following tips. Eat a balanced diet, include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals to provide essential nutrients and support proper digestion. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to help soften stool and prevent constipation. Manage stress. Chronic stress can affect digestion. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies to promote a healthy digestive system. Chew your food thoroughly. Take your time to chew food properly, as it aids in digestion and makes it easier for your stomach and intestines to process. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to promote healthy digestion and maintain overall well-being.